Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to buy Ethereum on MetaMask wallet. For that you need to launch your MetaMask mobile application, and once you are on the home page you need to first tap on this drop arrow button in the top, and after that you just have to select the Ethereum main network. Once you do this you will be landed on this page where you are going to see the Ethereum token. So you need to tap on Ethereum, and after tapping on it you are going to see the send and the receive button in the bottom if you scroll down a bit. But in the bottom of it you are going to see the buy option as well. So if you tap on the buy button you will be redirected on the next page where you just have to enter the amount of Ethereum that you want to buy, or you need to enter the amount of USDT that you want to spend in order to buy it. So in this section you just have to enter the amount. If you want to change the currency, then you just have to tap on this drop arrow button right next to USD, and you will be able to see the currencies as per your region. So you need to select the one that you want. Then you need to enter the amount in this section. You can even use these presets if you want to. Then you just have to select the payment method. So by default it will give you the Google Pay method or the Apple Pay method. But if you want to make the payment with your debit or credit card, then you simply need to tap on the Google Pay option, then select the UPI, IPS or debit or credit card option, and then you just have to tap on the get codes button in the bottom. Then it will show you that it is fetching codes, so you just have to wait for some time, and then it will show you if the provider is not available, then it will show you that you just have to try again. So you need to basically select the or change the payment method, and then you just have to tap on the get codes option. After that you just have to conclude your payment by tapping on the provider's website and creating your account on that. This is way. Now once you conclude your payment you will be able to get your Ethereum in your MetaMask wallet. So I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.